actions.
Bwanyuma yo kuhendera kwandika barukwenda kwatara NRM bendero mu karura kari kwija ka primary abesimbiro mu rurembo rwambarira bagiro mu rukiko n'urukure byo kuteza karoro mu NRM habwambarira site Sebuma Kawesi okureba ko barakoreza campaign.
Twatuye bo kutera karuru twikizana twakutambura hamwe ibyo twakubikora kakaruru abaraze gamba ibyo rero tubigambe twatuza gukora kumwe orabaze gamba norareheruke no kakaruru umutwe yagumana akakwata nabaza bagoro bamushatura amheru ajaje kiyatunga
warite byo manoha akanyoyi no ayinagire aho narebera umukwi yaje gamba umusindaro baguyaho induru nayo yashekereraho ubutaka bwakuka so nyowe ubwire kubure buriyo n'ugenda ababona bari yahati bine capacity buriyo umukwegendera
twazaro ari ya muheru nangwe cyo tukajoganizinga mpangu twaza kaceka tukaza kukakaceka ibyo miba bintu bagambira bone byanjye kandi umuntu wakabiri naiza gamba nyonaje abo kwati kusija byo byanje Kampala gatatu shafire sente z'umushaka ati kandi hebiteri nyenda tubiganiza amaza abo kuba ntubasa kuzaha tutehindura be mico mirundi tugire tuta obwire no buza kushika buri mayine plan yo kumara aho mutahiwe kwatenda politics.
Of course ko kubaga twakuba tujya gukora joint campaigns nikibanji mayisango pate yitu neja kuturondera ibyo kuganda byaba bitari kugira ngo pate ne turondere byoma na all facilities kutebekanisa zo mwanya then for sure mureke buri umwe tebekanisa
abantu bagira ngo bamumba hagize babo batandikire ku mashana ekintu kibera rikirire ngo kibasa kongera kureta kwa kimucero abesimbire bakora hamwe za campaign
hariho okwiba karuru hariho ku Rwanda polling station hariho ibintu bijya polling station sentes makuru mutomo joint right now muste akumakaruru mutomo security.
We don't want violence, and this time, no one is above the law. No one is above the law. The president is not above the law himself. So if you think you're above the law, then you may face it rough.
Umuganda wabireho munyishengero wambarira site Michael Tsime yajemerera ke mukera katandikire kubarukaho umbwiro bo bw'akaruru ibya bigambiro mu rukiko rw'abanyamakuru rubiro mu Makage umurinko konjeru umurimbarira site North.
Look at the national budget when we are going for election. It is enhanced for purposes of security. It means that we are anticipating violence in the elections that we are holding. You need to look at this thing in a wholesome way. Abachintu tungure sente zebyo kwerinda ombwire wakaru. Are we more insecure when we are having our own elections internally to choose our own leaders? It means that we are anticipating violence emanating from issues like this.
Tsime na haya nerentebe yo munyishengero wambarira site North kandi ngo ayetebekanise ko rwanere ntunguka.
Right now what Mbarara needs is not someone who is good at stealing elections. Is a person who is good at delivering a service. And that's my conviction. And I have confirmed that by the large numbers of people who have come here this morning. You are trying to interrogate the minds of people to see a person that is worthy leading Mbarara City.
Gashakwa Elias Rutugusa.